Ay, salamat. What's the problem with this crow? Ayan, oli ka na. Come here. Where is it? There's an owl, that's why they are. Where is it? Kaya sila maingay kasi mayroong owl, oh. I can't find it. Nakikita mo yan, oh. Okay, so that's why they are so. Look at this. Oh, there's an owl. Looks like a cat. Oh. Did you see the owl? Hindi ko rin nakita to agad-agad pero kaya pala sila maingay dahil andit mayroong owl. Kala mo pusa. Malayo kasi hindi makita. Ito here. So here is the owl. Here, look. Did you see that? An owl. So I don't know na meron pala ritong owl. See? Look at this. Meron palang owl dito. There's an owl here. That's why they are all the crow here. Look. Meron palang owl dito, oh. Look at this. Oh. See. It's too masyadong malayo siya kaya hindi makita masyado, pero kaya pala nagkakagulo yung mga crow dahil nakikita nila to. Oh. So yan. Ayaw niya lumipat ng lugar eh, gumalaw. Talagang binabantayan siya ng mga crow. Ayan. Oh, look at that. Ayan, talagang binabantayan nila tong crow na to. Ay, itong mga crow na to talagang binabantayan niya yung, dami nila.